Drop one, Emma. That's no good, is it? Thank you, Phil. Thank you. There we are. Beautiful. Beautiful, Emma.
Very pretty, Emma.
Thank you. I thought you were going to say something different.
Yeah, about the face.
That's the difference.
Did I put that bit on there? By mistake.
That's not what should I talk about?
Oh.
Piece of melon, anyone?
Piece of melon in one?
I think you chose the thickest bit.
Sorry. There we are. Looks like a piece of melon, doesn't it?
I don't want a piece of melon, thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
How far have you gone now?
Close.
Wow.
Must be close.
Daisy. I'm going to put it down.
I don't think so. Because it's not moving at all, that bit.
You're going to say yes to that glass of wine in a minute, aren't you?
Daisy, come here. Daisy, come
I know, a big crunk then. Give that a pull. Give that a pull now. That's like a bomb that don't go off. You've got to put it back in there. Oh, we'll do it while you're pulling it.
Throw it, throw it.
Try and pull it. You try and pull it.
Yeah, that's alright. I'll just let it go.
I love the fact
Oh my god.
it's got to go.
Big one. You fucking crazy thing, really. I'm trying to get a big one.
Something's right. I can't get.
Oh my god.
I want that to go. That only went. I reckon that's close now.
Oh.
Precision landing or what, look? Yeah.